नमक application में
I'm wishing once again to you excuse me for an the subject of this book is very different.
I will specially invite you to come. So, to talk about this book, I will ask my co-editor, myself, Dr. Devjani Sahu, and this is my co-editor. And these are the co-authors and our publisher from Namak Publication. I would like to request all of you if you can just mention about our name. Arisa, our main publisher, please.
She's also good.
Yeah, I introduced her. I want you to be also here.
Please come.
The way you have supported me.
आइए भाई आइए भाई
अब पीछे से जाइए, इधर से भी रास्ता है, इधर से उस स्टॉल में से निकल जाइए।
So to begin with, मैं शामा के बारे में
थोड़ी आप लोग क्लोज हो जाओ।
So this book is of utter importance at this period of time. We are going through extremely pressing time, wherein we are not supposed to talk a lot of things and this and that. The many restrictions are there, but it is not the thing which is new. Especially for a community, myself, Devjani, I'm from the community, and about our own identity has not been disclosed, and understanding about our identity has developed much later in a metropolitan, even living in a metropolitan like Delhi. I had zero understanding about my own identity. So over the period of time when I recognized what it means to be a Dalit woman, it is very empowering. And this book is trying to change the narrative like what it is meaning of Dalit women. The mainstream media tend to always neglect it and denied our voice. We have always wanted to be the voice of the most marginalized, and this voice has been oppressed for centuries. And even in the mainstream media, especially if we look into the films, if we look into the art, if we look into the other theatre forms or any other forms, it has always been stereotyped. So this book is trying to challenge the narrative and from the victimhood to empowering Dalit women. And here are my co-authors who will be also sharing a little bit about their chapter, what they are trying to portray. But before that, I would request my co-editor, without whose support, without his consistent follow-up, it would not have been possible. So I'm very, very grateful to you, co-editor, and the publishing house, that I would like you to share some words.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much. Thanks to everyone for all of your support, everything. The authors are here. Editor ma'am, she already narrated everything. What I want to say is that, like, of course, in our diversified country, we have many issues. And this is one of a vital issue that I can say. And of course, as ma'am has said, that every time, the authority tries to suppress us, repress us, exploit us. So, of course, this book, of course, it's kind of, counter-culture, counter-attack, okay, to the so-called authority. That, of course, like, the resistance should go on, and it has to be. And another thing is that, like, what I think, that this book might change a kind of perception, perspective, and that's why, the name we are given the name, Beyond Dalit Women, okay, because the kind of Dalit narration we are having since a couple of long time. So I think this book might change, might create a new kind of landscape. Okay? And as I said earlier also, like I was discussing with ma'am, that it's not mandatory that those who are from academia should read, should learn from this book. Those who are also from outside academia, non-academic people, they can also read this, they can learn something. And the way you are giving us support, so if this support goes on, then definitely we shall come up with kind of 2.0 version. Okay, so that's all I guess. Yeah,
Ayushi इधर है।
I am so incredibly happy to be here and to be with my co-editors who spent the last 1 year editing this chance only that I got to know Rudra, and it's amazing how a very like a small interaction with Rudra has turned into this. It's beautiful, reminds you of the power of the internet and its ability to bring people together. So my chapter, which is the 16th chapter, if I can advertise it, it's basically on how it's basically a chapter on how Dalit women, how basically there's an absence of Dalit people in mainstream Hindi cinema, which is Bollywood. I grew up watching Bollywood movies and I could see, like, I don't know when I gained that critical consciousness, but when I did, I could see that there was this lack of absence. And then, but for some reason, when I stepped into the vernacular and regional films, I could see that there is something else that's happening here. So I'm using the vernacular to critique mainstream Hindi cinema. Of course, I am not a literary student, I'm not a film student, I'm a philosopher. So I don't have the necessary tools or anything else for that matter. So I have undertaken this study as a consumer of films. I've written that disclaimer in the chapter. But yeah, that's pretty much what this is about, and in very short explores the possibilities of resistance of an anti-caste case in mainstream Indian cinema. And thank you everyone again, and congratulations to everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Pushti and my chapter is called Dalit Women and the Crisis of Epistemic Authority. It might sound very heavy and very like do keywords and everything, but it's actually, the idea is very simple. The idea is that even though Dalit women are included, how they are included, it also matters. Whether they are being given the voice to theorize about them, talk about them themselves, and not bring some privileged person to talk about them and talk about their trauma, and not just using them as the raw material, but actually using them as on a place of authority. And most importantly, I include Ambedkar's imagination of alternative media to actually critique and to actually give an alternative option of what good media could look like.
So with that, we formally launched it, and we would request you all to get one copy. And we will be shortly coming online also. It will be available in Kindle and Amazon. Kindle will be very shortly it will be there online, and also in Amazon if you want to get a hard copy. Right now we are limited stock only, but you will get it online.